Hello everyone. So today we're going to do some customization of this fuel filler door and the cover here for the fuel tank. So what we have Meso Customs Gasshole, and we also have some funky little stickers from Tufskinz. So the steps are simply going to be: first we need to clean and prep the area, so I have some chemical guys degreaser, not too much left in the bottom now, but just enough for this, and then clean that also with some rubber and alcohol, and then stick the stickers and install the Gasshole. So let's go. So, see that? What was that? Date. That would have prevented from sticking. Let me stickers from sticking well. So I'll still take some rubber alcohol. Give it just a second level of clean. Seems to be ready. Just trying to get this aligned perfectly though. You know me. Alright, so let's start. No time for this Gasshole. Now to install this is pretty straightforward. You have to remove this bolt, set this in through there and tighten it back. As simple as that. So I want to make sure and support the door while this is being done. There you go. Simple as that. There's this little lip here. I want to make sure that gets right in that little piece of sheet metal there, so it makes it nice and aligned. There you go. So clean. Love it. Great glue from Meso as usual. Gonna hit the back with this, take it as tight as back as it was. There you go. So now my gas fuel filler cover, door and fuel filler cap is customized. So cool. So we go like this. Stick them in here. There you go.
Ah, damn it! Alright.
Stick them in there.
Seriously?
I feel like this was a little bit too tight though. I like that to be a little bit, you know, less tight. See, I don't have to push this in real hard each time. I just would like to mindlessly put it in. See what I can do. Maybe trim a little bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this back out. So all I'm doing is just doing some trimming just around here to try to get that tolerance a little bit less tight. Okay. I like that. Much better. Easy to go in. Easy to come out. Almost no forcing down. Yes. So, pull up to the gas station. Flick it on by. See my cool taco sauce only. Have a screw. Stick him in there. Pull it out. Screw back in. Fill up with taco sauce. Boom. Done. Like, share, subscribe, comment.